So here I have an edit where I'm cutting my line and I'm saying, but when you get up early and do creative stuff, and I'm cutting out when you get up early. But when you do creative stuff, it's kind of, and just turning it into a new sentence, when you do creative stuff. Now, this is why we've talked about the structure of YouTube videos, because for a vlog, this doesn't really matter that we've cut out some time here. When you do creative stuff, it's kind of part of the whole deal. Again, a vlog is very informal. It's not really that important that we cut out time. It's more about telling the story, right? Now, if we wanted to hide this, we could put B-roll over it. So if we went over to our driving B-roll, let's say, and we just grabbed a piece of this, I can grab this little film strip here and drag just the video down over this edit. And that will hide the fact that I'm switching in between clips here. Now, the audio might not come through perfectly because it's a really rainy day and that just might not work, but you'll get the idea. But when you do creative stuff, it's kind of part of the whole deal. So now what we've really done is just cut to something else while we switch. It's kind of like misdirection, right? Just kind of like doing a magic trick. Like, all right, let's listen to the story. Let's look at something visual. Stuff, it's kind of part of the whole. And we don't have to worry about this jump cut here. In fact, if you wanted to, you could hold down Alt and click on this transition here, right click, and say add 6-frame cross dissolve. And that will add a fade to my audio. When you do creative stuff. And we can adjust this around to kind of fade that rain sound. But when you do creative stuff. And then it kind of softens that out a little bit. In the world. But when you do creative stuff, it's kind of part of the whole. And now we have a story that looks like no time has passed. So it just depends on what you want to convey to the audience. Do you want to convey that time has passed? Do you care? Does it matter? Or do you want to make it seem like it's all one sentence without any time passing?